Hey everybody, I'm making some prototype boards for Maker Faire today, and I thought you might like to see how they're built. So I'll just give you a little overview of that, and turns out I actually use Modulo to make Modulo, so let's take a look. Okay, the first step in the process is stenciling. So we take the blank PCB, like this. This is for the color OLED display. And I've got this little jig. It just uses some old scrap PCBs. I place that in there. And this is a Mylar solder stencil. So it has little holes in it. I don't know if you can see that. For all the little solder pads. So we take that and line it up over the PCB. Like that. This is called solder paste. So it has little tiny microscopic balls of solder in this paste. I use this little spreader tool to apply it. There we go, solder is applied to the board. Okay, the next step is to actually apply the parts. So parts come on this tape that's really designed for automatic machines to place the parts. And I just stick them to these pieces of plexiglass with double stick tape. And then I have this little tool. It's like a little vacuum pickup tool. And it's hooked up with a hose to a modified aquarium air pump. So I have a little foot switch. And when I hit the foot switch, I can just pick up a part. So, I need a 0.47 microfarad, pick that up, and place it where it goes. And I just repeat that for each of the parts. In true cooking show style, here's a completed board with all the parts on there. Okay, now that we have all the parts on the board, we can go ahead and solder it. And we don't use a soldering iron for that. We actually have a toaster oven. So this is a modified toaster oven. So I've insulated the inside. It really helps it heat up a lot faster. And it has a relay in here, and it has a thermocouple. So we can both monitor the temperature and we can turn the heating elements on and off using Modulo. So I'll just place the boards in there, and then I'll show you the Modulo setup for controlling it. Okay, we've got all our boards here on the oven rack. And just close the door. Now over here we have our Modulo setup. This is an older version of the display. It only does black and white. The newer ones do color. But it'll show you current temperature, 26.4, heating element off, state is idle. And back here we have one of the modulos that we haven't actually shown yet. So this is the thermocouple module. So you can plug a thermocouple right into the Modulo, which can handle really high temperatures, can measure temperatures and things like this, like an oven or a barbecue. So I'm going to go ahead and start this. And this will go ahead and go through a whole heating cycle, hitting just the right temperatures to melt all the solder on the components. Okay, it's done soldering, switching to cool down mode, so it'll continue monitoring the temperature and tell us when it's cool enough. Okay, there we have it. So here's our board, all little pieces soldered on it. So we still have some hand soldering to do, and then the display needs to be attached and needs to be programmed. But the hard part is done at this point. So there you have it. That's how we use Modulo to make Modulo. How did the first Modulo come to be? No one knows. It's kind of a chicken and egg sort of thing, I guess. One of those mysteries of the universe. So thanks a lot for watching. Bye.